Hello, this is Marcela from Marcela's Smart Kitchen, and I love cooking with kitchen gadgets. Today, I will show you how to make Chilaquiles Rojos, a traditional Mexican dish made from leftover tortillas, salsa, and garnished with some sour cream and cotija cheese. To make this dish, I will use two of my favorite kitchen gadgets, Thermomix TM6, which is an intelligent kitchen robot, and an air fryer. The ingredients are tortilla chips, cotija cheese, tomatoes, tomatillos, salt, cilantro, onion, oil, green chili peppers, and garlic. To make the tortilla chips, take some tortillas and cut them into pieces. They can be squares, diamonds, or triangles. Fry the tortilla pieces until they lightly turn brown and crisp, and set them aside. Now, it's time to grate the cheese. Once grated, set it aside. For the salsa, we're going to chop, cook, and mix the garlic, onion, tomatoes, tomatillos, cilantro, green chilies, and the oil. Once it's cooked, we will add salt to taste and blend the mix until smooth. If the salsa is too thick, you can always add a little bit of water and blend it again. Now it's time to plate the chilaquiles. Place some tortilla chips in a bowl and pour some salsa on top of them. Garnish it with some sour cream, cotija cheese, avocado, and any protein of your preference. I use spiced pork called cecina enchilada, but you can also add some shredded chicken, carne asada, or beans. Try them, they are simply delicious. Follow me on social media at Marcela's Smart Kitchen, and if you're interested in getting a Thermomix TM6, I can gladly help you with that. See you!